Hiding and unhiding apps on your iPhone or iPad is a straightforward process. You can do this using various methods, but I will show you the easiest one. First of all, come to the home screen where you will find applications and locate the application you want to hide. Touch and hold the app icon and you will get a menu pops up. Just keep pressing until you get minus icon next to app icon. Next, tab on the minus icon next to the app. In the pop-up, click on remove from home screen. You can do the same for multiple apps. After this, click on done button at the top right corner. You can see apps gets removed from home screen. Now let's look how to unhide apps. To unhide the app, just slide the screen to the right until you get app library. Just tab on the app you want to unhide. Next, click on add to home screen. You will see app appears on the home screen now. You can do for other app as well. In this way we can hide and unhide app on iPhone and iPad. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.